freshness ingredients versus leading bargain detergent.
Burden of Guilt, a brand new true crime podcast, tells the harrowing story of Tracy Raquel Burns, a woman who spent 4 decades at the center of one of the most bizarre and disturbing cases in American history. Was she responsible for the mysterious death of her baby brother?
I was told that Matthew died in an accident, and no one really talked about it.
Really tough family dynamics fueled much of what happened in this case.
Listen to Burden of Guilt on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts.
iPhone 15 Pro on Verizon, iPhone 15 Pro on Verizon, and other gifts for the nail of this holiday. Trade in your old iPhone and get a brand new iPhone 15 Pro. Apple TV 4K and Apple One, all 3 of them. It's a great deal, don't sleep on it.
In any condition for the new iPhone 15 Pro with titanium, Apple TV 4K, and 6 months of Apple One. All on us with Unlimited Ultimate. Act now. Visit Verizon.com. 6 months of Apple One, then $10 per month. $999.99 device payment or full retail purchase with new smartphone line on Unlimited Ultimate plan required. Less $1,000 trade-in/promo code applied for 36 months. Eligibility requirements are no longer met. 0% APR. Apple TV 4K and Apple One offers require eligible phone purchase with activation on Unlimited Ultimate. Additional terms and conditions apply. Visit Verizon.com for details.
I happen to be on score because melancholy. Scoring with this girl, because I'm the caller making references to football, football goal. Normally, he might be stopping me from actually scoring, so.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Listen to Shaggy's when she's around. Now, with iHeartRadio All Access. What's up?
I'm tired of feeling so bloated.
That used to be me. Then I got this.
Align bloating relief plus food digestion. A probiotic, right?
Yeah, it works naturally with your gut to help soothe occasional bloating and gas. Plus, it has vitamin B12 to aid digestion by helping convert food to cellular energy. 2 benefits, 1 capsule.
Align bloating relief plus food digestion from the #1 doctor-recommended probiotic brand. Learn more at alignprobiotics.com.
Hello there. Hi, Paul McCartney here, Ringo here, asking you to listen to Now and Then, the new Beatles single. Hear the
This thing keeps crashing. I hate this. Phone keeps fucking crashing for no reason. I need to do. Yeah, to eat, not just eat something, but eat any adaptive. Yeah. I can see Ross is open. Yeah. I think it's on the left side, I think. I don't remember. Ah, yeah, it's right here. It's on this side. Perfect. Yeah, it's open. Oh. Yeah. I think I just turned like very fast. Do not care if there's a car coming or what. Oh, 7-Eleven right there. Oh, yes. Before. Going this way. I don't know where it takes me, but funny short fire with 99 apparently. Guys, that's fucking crazy.